Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset your service light. So if you have this steering wheel, this will work for you. So we're going to use the back button and the square center button. So we'll start, turn the key or the ignition to position 1. So 1 press, foot off the brake, doors shut, bonnet shut. Position 1. You need to make sure you are on the trip menu. I'm going to press and hold return, and then quickly press the center button. So press return, center button. Hold these for 10 seconds, both pressed down together. After 10 seconds, release both of these, press the back button, and we should slide to the left to the workshop menu. So using the center button, we'll click into this, down to assist plus. Switch ignition on, so foot off the brake still, press this again to bring the ignition on. And then we can see what service is due on service data. So B service is due. And we've just services recently, so no service currently, but you would have days and miles there. So back from that, down to full service. Select confirm service. Select which oil grade you used. And then down to confirm. This can't be undone on the dash. You can use diagnostics equipment to change this if you get it wrong. So confirm that, and then back out, and you're done.